this video we will draw assembly, column and beam. So we will start with front and then sketch, okay, and line. So I can, for example, midpoint, so I can do, as we can see, like that. Select, and another line in the same way, like that. And then I can smart dimension for define. So here I have 100 millimeters. I can, for example, 1000 millimeters, and here the same things, or I can define it in another way. For example, I can choose this and this and make equal. So I have 1000 and 1000. Now the second part is to define the structure element. So I can define, for example, no, it's a symbol, simple assembly. So I can click here and then weldments, or if this panel is not here, I can click right here and then weldments. So structural member, then here I can choose which type of elements. If it's not the same way, if the type is not exist here, you can find it in the library, or we can define it here from customize from here. We can define the file to this element. So I choose this profile, random profile. So I can click here. So I have this profile, and I have here many properties. So I can rotate. So I can rotate the element, for example, so like that. So okay, I can define new group. A new group is useful for doing a separate modification. If I do a modification for the first group, I will not do the same modification for the second group. So I can define the same profile. I have to rotate it like that. So as we can see here, so as we can see, I can change wireframe, for example. So there is many ways, and then check yes. So there is another things. For example, I can here parameters window, I can click the last modification I did. So I enter in the same way, and then do locate the profile. From here I can give the section a new position related to the axis line. So for example, check time, I do locate the profile, so I can move my profile. So like that, so I can move my profile. The same way for this, I can move on. So it's that for this lesson. If you want to add something, for example edit, I can add another profile like that, for example. So select and like that, for example. I can define 400 from here to here, or from here to here to see 400, and I can add another profile with the structure number, and then for example another profile. So I have a new profile here. I can rotate it like that, so as we can see, to modify this assembly to the next video.